Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be making some garlic and chili infused honey. This is so easy to do and it gives you a beautifully flavored honey that's perfect for basting chicken or pouring over some golden crunchy fried chicken. To start, you'll need a jar with a lid that's airtight. Crush 3 to 4 cloves of garlic with the edge of your knife. Next, take 3 chilies. Remove the stem before slicing down one side. This will help the chili release its flavour into the honey. This honey is from my dad's beehives. Make sure to check out our other series, The Bush Bee Man. Fill the jar with honey, making sure to leave a gap because the garlic will release a small amount of gas. Keep in the cupboard for at least 2 weeks, but for the best result, leave it for a month. There you have it, garlic and chili infused honey. After a month, you'll notice the honey has become runny and has taken on the flavour of the garlic and the chili. If you head over to the Bush Bee Man channel, you can watch my old man making chicken wings using this honey. This infused honey is perfect for basting or pouring over some golden, crunchy fried chicken. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.